Classification versus regression. Two types of supervised learning. The difference, what you're predicting. Classification predicts categories, discrete labels. Is this email spam or not? Is this tumor malignant or benign? Good tomato or bad? Regression predicts numbers, continuous values. What will this house sell for? What temperature will it be tomorrow? How much rain? The key difference, classification outputs a class label, regression outputs a number on a continuous scale. Classification, cat or dog, spam or not, pass or fail. Regression, price in rupees, temperature in degrees, probability between 0 and 1. Classification draws decision boundaries to separate classes. Regression fits a line or curve through the data points. Categories or numbers, that's the fundamental question. Classification for categories, regression for continuous values.